So what is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about two stocks that I've been buying this week, and both of them are speculative and short-term plays. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. The first stock that I'm going to be talking about is Tortoise Acquisition Corp, which is currently trading under the ticker symbol SHLL. So the reason I'm buying them is because they've announced a merger with Hyliion, which makes electric-based trucks. This merger is very similar to when Vector IQ merged with Nikola. So Nikola also makes hydrogen-based trucks, and when Vector IQ announced the merger, the stock went up over 217%. And when the merger actually happened, the stock doubled on that day. And during this time, the ticker symbol went from VTIQ to NKLA, and the combined company became Nikola Corporation. And what happened with Vector IQ is happening to Tortoise Acquisition Corp. So like I said before, when Vector IQ announced their merger with Nikola, the stock rallied over 200%. But now when Tortoise Acquisition Corp announced their merger with Hyliion, the stock rallied around 80%. So we can see similarities. And I think that's just the beginning. I think the stock will surge up again when the merger actually happens. Now, the merger is expected to happen end of Q3 2020. So now let me tell you what I'm doing. So I bought the stock last Friday for a cost basis of $14.95, and I'm not going to be selling just yet because there are a lot of similarities between Nikola and Tortoise Acquisition Corp. So obviously when Nikola merged, the stock went up over 100%, and I think the same will happen with Tortoise Acquisition Corp. But I'm not completely sure how much it will go up, but I'm pretty sure it will go up. And for me, this is low risk, high reward because I have a very small amount of money in this company, but it can still double or triple. Now, another thing you have to consider is that this is a hyped up stock and it's only a speculative investment for me. You can't invest in this thinking about the numbers or thinking about the products just yet because it is so early in the stage. Now, I'm not going to be holding it for the long term. So now let's talk about the second stock that I've been buying. So this is called Opes Acquisition Corp, and it trades under the ticker symbol OPES. It's currently trading for $16.18, and this is also merging with another company. Now this is merging with BurgerFi, which is one of the fastest growing burger concepts in the country with over 104 locations and 500 plus employees. So now let's talk about what I'm doing. So I bought the stock on June 10th for around $13.65, and I continued buying it until it was $18.57 on June 19th. Now my total cost basis is $15.62, and I'm up around 3%. But I'm not going to be selling just yet because I think it will still grow a lot more. So I think the stock is going to go up because BurgerFi is growing at such a fast rate, and not only that, there's a lot of hype surrounding it which will attract a lot of FOMO investors, and I think this stock will also be pumped up pretty high. However, I don't think we'll see similar returns to Nikola because BurgerFi is not at all related to technology. This is a short-term play, however, so I'm expecting to sell in November or December, so whenever the merger happens. Now, this was just a quick update on what I'm buying and why I'm buying it. However, if you want a full analysis on these two stocks or any other stocks, just leave it down in the comments below, and also leave a like and subscribe, and thank you.